Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a challenging cake. I was requested to make a vegan cake. That means no animal product, no egg. But I've developed a recipe and I'm going to execute it. So stay tuned. If this video is of any help to you guys or anybody, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and leave positive comments. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna use some coconut oil in it because I can't use any butter either in this. This is what I do. At times I develop recipe. So I have here half cup of sugar. So I'm gonna put that in. Here I have some cherry. I have a cup of flour. I have some vanilla. And I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna add the vanilla in just to help soften up the coconut oil. Then I'm gonna add this in, add the cherry in. I'm using oat milk in this one, so I'll add a bit. I need to get this a little bit soft. Well, it's coming on. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, just for balance. Now I'm going to add my flour in. You can sieve it if you want. I don't have to because I can. Then I'm going to add baking powder on this. Depends on the level of skill you have. Now I'm going to tip a little bit more of the oat milk in it. Then I add the rest in. As you can see, it's coming on well. Look at that. I have a pan here with a dust with flour, so I'm going to pour it in. Oven already preheat. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. So stay tuned. So this is a vegan cake. I just take out the oven. I'm just gonna put a bit of raspberry. It's just for decoration. This is a request I get to make a cake. Someone, they don't eat meat, they're vegan. So I just try to sort something out for them. Some leftover raspberry here. So just try to put all of them on. Then dust it a bit with ice and sugar over it. There you go, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.